So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to offer free shipping on Etsy website. So for that guys, first of all you will have to open any web browser and then search for etsy.com. So guys, after coming on their website, you guys will have to first of all log into your account, and after that you guys can able to see this option right here called Shop Manager. Now choose this. So guys, after coming on this page, you guys will see a bunch of options right here. Now choose this setting options, and after that you guys again see a bunch of options right here. Now choose this delivery settings option. So guys, after coming on this page, you guys will see this option right here called US free delivery guarantee. Now click on this, and then guys, you have to read these all of the information that they are offering you, and because this is very important that you must read before getting started. And after reading these all, now you just have to click on the get started button, and again you guys will get notified that this free delivery guarantee system is only available in the US country. And also if the order is same and above $35, then it will get a free delivery. And also again guys, read all of these information because this is very important. And after reading all of that, now you just have to click on this button right here called set free delivery now. Now click on this button and you guys are good to go. And now just click on this got it button, and you guys can now make your delivery free in the US country for more than $35 amounts order. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.